what's up guys? Be right back here and welcome to another product review. So what I have here is the Speedo Angels Anti-glare dash screen protector. Of course, I want to protect my dash. Yeah, I'm going to install this and let's see how it looks like and how easy or how hard to install this product on this new bike, 2024 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. So what else? Intro. Of course, who doesn't want to protect this gorgeous dashboard of this Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally? Actually, when I got my Yamaha XSR 900, that's the first thing also that I installed. This is not expensive to protect the expensive dashboard of this Ducati Multistrada. Now let's see what's inside of this. Okay. There you go. So you can check www.speedo-angels.com. This is the anti-glare because I don't want that shiny thing when it cuts to my camera. That's why I chose this anti-glare. So what's inside? So there's also instruction how to, and this I believe is the cleaning kit before installing this. So this is two. I have an extra. Here you go. This is the instruction, and also it has different languages for different countries. There you go. First clean, then what is this? Spray small amount of water or soap solution across the dashboard, ensuring you cover it very well. Okay, I think I'm gonna find some, whatever soap is that. It's the soap, like the dishwashing soap. Is okay? It's not gonna ruin my dashboard? That's a question. Should I use this? Or I prefer this one. This is the one that I'm using to clean my bike, and this is so nice. That makes my paint like brand new. I prefer that one. And I have it here. Now, I'm going to spray that. How about this? It says spray this with water. So I'm going to spray this with water, this anti-glare protector. So this and what I have here, let's see what's inside of this. I believe these are the, oh, okay, these are the kit. This is the one that you're going to use to eliminate the bubbles, and you have alcohol, and this dust absorber. Actually, I cleaned the dash. This is the synthetic cloth. I think I sprayed too much. Did I? So the instruction says I need to remove this red thing. So, and then spray water. So I have water here. I need to remove, oh yeah, I have to remove this. the red one, anti-glare back, it says. This one I need to spray water, so water for this. So here's the water. I have to spray evenly, and then it's gonna go like that. Make sure that it is even. Yeah, I think that's even. Oop. There you go. Now, this came with this one, but I have this one, so I'm gonna, this one is a bit softer. There you go. It's even now. I'm going to push the water there. So there's still a protection because you might scratch the anti-glare if you remove the front film protection. So just leave it there until all the water and bubbles are gone. Then it's time to remove that film cover. This one, the anti-glare front. Make sure there's no bubbles. So I'm gonna use this now because easy installation. I thought it's gonna be hard, but it's not. And the best thing about this dashboard protection for your motorcycle is that it's not expensive. Rather than scratching this this expensive dashboard of my Rally, so I'd rather install this protection. And the next protection also that I will be installing is the oil radiator and radiator guard, in short. And I'm waiting for that Evotech. Same as my Yamaha XSR 900. The first thing or the first accessories that I put is the Speedo Angels dash protector, and second is the radiator guard, and I think there's another one at the back from Evotech also. Okay, time to remove those bubbles. Now time to peel this out. There you go. Hey, what is up, guys? Thanks for watching, and please hit that like if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and share this video, or feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will also put a link in my description box about the Speedo Angels anti-glare or dash screen protector. And soon I'll be right back.